Okay, everyone, this is just in. Frozen pizzas. Frozen pizzas from the grocery stores have been recalled. Now, I'm going to get into all the details, but before I do, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button and turn the notification bell to all. More importantly, I need you guys to share the video out. If this information does not affect you, it could affect someone you know, love, a friend, even a foe. We don't want anyone in trouble. These recalls can be very serious and even life-threatening. So, the frozen pizza that has been recalled is Shakespeare frozen pizza. Include cheese pizza, 4 cheese pizza, vegetarian pizza, and spinach artichoke pizza. Recalled from the grocery stores. Now, the reason these pizzas have been recalled is because they contain wheat. How many people have wheat allergies? It was not on the label at all. So if you picked up one of these pizzas and you looked at it and you read the ingredients, you're not going to see wheat on there. But these pizzas have wheat. And you don't want to consume it if you have an allergy or a sensitivity to wheat. And if by chance you have already purchased one of these frozen Shakespeare's pizza, please don't consume it, return it. That is for the cheese pizza, 4 cheese pizza, vegetarian pizza, and the spinach artichoke pizza. Now, I don't know if they will come back and have some more that contain wheat. If they do, I will always come back and give you an update. But this is for non-meat frozen pizzas by Shakespeare. Again, hit that subscribe button, share it out. This is December 9th, 2023.